This is going to sound a bit crazy, but learn to relax at work. What? Relax at work? You're supposed to work at work. Push. Keep going. Where's that productivity? Where's the results? Come on, show me the numbers. All great stuff. But we often stress ourselves because we don't take breaks at work when we should. Now, a simple walk around the block may be just what you need to free up some thinking time. Maybe just what you need to calm down a bit, focus a bit better. But when you keep pushing, you never take that time to slow down or keep focusing, then that's when the stress starts to hit you. And then you become really debilitated because as that stress mounts up, the problems get bigger and more serious. So, in a day, you have certain biorhythms. Work out where you are best. Maybe mornings are great for you, or maybe it's afternoons. Work out where you can put in little rest breaks. We're not talking taking a 3-hour lunch here. We're talking about short breaks to help you become better at what you do when you do it.